Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Weav. Today we talk about what happens all too often in relationships and marriages. They violated your trust, so now what? You already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it, so let's do that right now. Trust is always something earned when actions meet words. And when someone makes a commitment to you, you take it as the gospel until they are proven to be a fraud. And tell me what you want. Where do you go from here? How do you proceed specifically with a partner who's lied to you, or even worse, cheated on you? Some might say that that's an easy decision, but you know why? Because they are the ones who have to live with the decision that you're making. You, on the other hand, you are invested in this. You are committed to this, right? You have years of service in this, and now you wonder if all of that, all a waste of your energy. So your natural reaction, the disappointment, the betrayal, the anger, frustration, the wondering how you didn't know or even realize what was going on, those are all natural for someone who just got devastated by somebody else who was supposed to be loyal to the soil, right? So how can you, as somebody who says you live by your word, stand up to that? See, because a lot of times we say, well, if that would have happened to me. But when you're placed in that situation, when it's your partner or spouse, when it's time for you to make a tough ass decision, you clamp up. And it's not because you aren't a man or a woman of your word, or that you truly don't believe in the principles of loyalty and trust, but love. Love has this magical way of making us rethinking some of the most rash decisions that we think we want to make. It makes us take a moment of hesitation when we are deep in it with someone else that we care about. And those deep moments of affection come back sweeping into your mind. Great nights, the vacations, the hugs and the kisses, all of the anniversaries that you guys shared. Now what? Well, now you have two options. One, you can stay and make it work. Put in the energy and forgive your partner and hope that it was one-time mistake. Two, you can walk away, wipe your hands clean of that relationship, and never have to worry about your partner lying or destroying your trust again. If you are a man or a woman of your word, then no matter how difficult this decision is for you, you need to stick with that. And that means that if you go with option number one, you are risking that trust being broken again and being placed in the same predicament that you were months or years down the line. And if you can handle that, more power to you. If you elect option number two though, you need to walk away and truly mean it. No turning back a week or a month later. Stay true to your word and take your power back after you decided this is over. We'll tell you one last thing though. Forgiving heart is a heart that money can't buy. But forgiving doesn't always mean you go back to what broke you. Sometimes it means you forgive them to their face and still walk away with your head held high. But if you decide to stay, stay because you believe in that man or woman's character. Stay because you trust in your ability to trust them again. Stay because you love them. Stay because this is the first time, but hopefully the last. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. Of course, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom and become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.